Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your Microsoft Copilot without an account. So let's get started. So here I will just go to my Copilot app. Okay. So if you want to use without an account, you will just open and do continue. Okay. And it will search for some connection. And from here, you can directly use it. It does not require sign in. If you want, you can sign in. It is not necessary to sign in. You can just click on new chat. From here you can ask anything. So for example, I am writing hi. Okay, so you can just wait for the response. You can see, hi, this is Copilot. I am an AI companion that can chat with you with a various task. So from here you can just give the task. So you can just say, tell me a joke, and the Copilot tell, and by this way you can just use it without an account. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.